Students, now in the exercise 13, some simplification problems are there. These problems you write in simplified form by using DMOS rule. Okay, DMOS means what? D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. In this order, you simplify the given problem. Sometimes, if the problem is given with all the operations at a time, that means what? Plus, minus, into, divided by, with all these, just by mixing all these operations, if the question is there, then in a particular order, we have to solve that problem. In any different order, if we solve, we can't get the correct answers and round figures we can't get. Zigzag you can get the answers. That means we are not in a problem. That's why in simplification, by using a particular rule, DMOS rule, if you give the solution, then you can get the perfect answer. So, DMOS rule is to be used in solving this problem. Here all the operations were mixed in this. First of all, D. Go to D first. D for division. D for division. So in the step 1, we go for the division operation. In the problem, you see where is the division word. Where is the division word? Here it is 810 divided by 30. So divide 810 with 30. So step 1. Step 1. Division. Here division is 810 divided by 30. 810 divided by 30. You can use the margin. 810 divided by 30. So here 32 are 60, 21 remainder. Now bring it down 0, 210, 7 times, 7 zeros are 0, 7 are 27 times. How many times? 27 times. So that 27 we write in place of this division. So here what we write? 27. Here side plus 3 minus 20. Next M for addition, M for multiplication, M for what? Multiplication. But here no multiplication, is a given problem, no multiplication. So step 2, dash. No multiplication. Here what? Dash means what here? No multiplication. No multiplication what? Multiplication work. Now step 3, multiplication after A for addition. Here addition work is there in the problem. There is the addition 27 plus 3. So here 27 plus 3 how much here? 27 plus 3 30. Okay. So in the here addition is there no? In this place, in that addition place, we write 27 plus is 30. Minus what is there? 30 minus 20. Addition is over. Next one was subtraction. Step 3. Subtraction. Subtraction 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20 how much? 10. 10 is the result of this problem. So here we write 10. Okay children? Like this. This is the answer. Okay, next now you come to fourth question. First, division operation. Here division 49 divided by 7. How much? 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 7 are 40. So in the step 1, 7 write in place of the division one. 7 7 are 40. Minus 15 plus 2. Division next step 2. In the step 2, go for multiplication. Is there any multiplication in the problem? No multiplication. So here you write no multiplication. But step 3. Step 3 what here? Addition. What is there here? Addition work is there. Where is the addition here? 15, 7 and 3. The 3 numbers are under addition. 15, 7, 3. 15, 7, 3. Say children. 15, 7, 3. How much? 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 25. So here you write 15 plus 7 plus 3 minus 15. That is equal to 15 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 25 minus 50. 25 minus 7. So step 3 is over. Next we come to step 4. Subtraction. Step 4. Subtraction. So here 25 minus 15. How much 25 minus 15? 10. So 10 is the answer. 10 is the answer. Like this. Okay children? Next. Come to the shape question. 7 into 21. See here, our sixth question formula. 8 plus 4. Here, step 1. Step 1, go to division first. 3 divided by 1, 3. So 8 plus 4 minus 2 into 3 divided by 1 is 3. Step 1 was. Step 2. Division after multiplication. 8 plus 4 minus 2 3s are 6. Step 3. Addition, multiplication over. Next addition. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 6. Addition after subtraction. Step 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. This is the answer. In the last step, we will get the answer. Okay, children. Next, come to this one. 8th question. Step 1. Okay. Division. 7 into 21 minus 35 divided by 7 how much? 7 5s are 30. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are plus 7. Now come to multiplication. Step 2. Go for multiplication. 7 into 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 4. Okay, 147. Minus 5 plus 7. Step 3. Multiplication after addition. Where is the addition here? 147 plus 7. 147 plus 7 minus 5. 147 plus 7 how much? 154. Okay, 154 minus 5. Now step 4. Come to subtraction. 154 minus 5 how much here? 149. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, children. Now come to this last question. 918, first step, step 1. 918, first go to the division operation. 12 divided by 3 here, 12 divided by 3, 4, plus, here 6 divided by 6, 1. In the problem, there are 2 divisions. Here also in the beginning division is there, and here also in the last division is there. That's why here division 1, here division 1. Step 2, no multiplication. No multiplication. No multiplication. Step 3, addition. Here addition is there. 918 plus 4 plus 1. The 3 numbers are under addition. Now add. 918 plus 4, 922. 922 plus 1, 922. Okay, na? So 922. Here step 4, no subtraction. So this is the answer. Write the conclusion last. Therefore, 918 plus 12 divided by 3 plus 6 divided by 6 is equal to answer. What is the answer here? 923. What is answer 10? What is answer is 10. What is answer is 10. Here, what is the answer in this problem? 6. In this problem, answer is 149. 149. Okay, children. Are you all understand? So, like this, we simplify the problems. And all the operations are given at a time in the given problem. Okay, children?